Hello MM1A, hello MM1B, and hello MM1C. Good morning and good afternoon to everyone. Today we're diving into our final topic for Unit 3, is a product differentiation. Now that we have covered the STP framework, which is the segmenting, targeting, and positioning, it's essential to understand how differentiation plays a key role in making a product stand out in a crowded market. As marketers, we don't just duplicate existing products or services. Instead, we emphasize what makes each offering unique. Many products in the market may be similar, still, certain brands or products often stand out in our minds because of distinct features or qualities that resonates with us, solving a need or addressing a problem uniquely. So today, let's explore product differentiation. We'll look at what it means, the elements that contribute to it, and how it impacts our choices as consumers. Understanding this concept can help us recognize what drives us to favor one product over another. Let's start by defining product differentiation and why it's a core ingredient in successful marketing. So what is product differentiation? Product differentiation is a strategy used by businesses to highlight the unique features and benefits of their products or services to separate them from competitors. The marketing team communicates these unique qualities through their campaigns and promotions. Then, the sales team uses them to demonstrate the product's competitive advantage. This is also known as product differentiation strategy. Product differentiation is a method for companies to make their products stand out and grab the attention of consumers. This helps the company develop a strong brand that potential customers will recognize, and it increases the likelihood they'll pick your product over a generic or undifferentiated product or service. So, as you can see in the presentation, there are pictures there, of course, but there is one product that is colored in yellow which stand out from the others, and that is a typical explanation of differentiation. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Okay, so do you know him? If no, this is renowned management scholar Michael Porter. Okay, so he's American business and professor at Harvard Business School and a giant in the field of business. So according to Michael Porter's differentiation strategy is one of the generic business strategies identified. It is based on the idea that businesses can achieve a competitive advantage by offering products or services that are perceived as distinct and superior by customers. Rather than competing solely on price, companies following a differentiation strategy focus on delivering unique value to their target market. The goal of differentiation strategy is to create customer loyalty and brand recognition, allowing the business to charge higher prices and achieve above-average profitability. To implement this strategy effectively, companies must identify and capitalize on factors that make their offerings stand out in the market. Okay, so that is according to Michael Porter's. Let's move on to the next slide. Okay, so there are three types of product differentiation. So we have horizontal differentiation, we have vertical differentiation, and we have simple or mixed differentiation. So these are the typical types of product differentiation. Okay, so let's start discussing them one by one. Let's start with horizontal differentiation. Horizontal differentiation refers to when products are different but not necessarily better or worse than each other, appealing to different preferences rather than quality or price distinction. Consumers choose based on taste, style, or preferences rather than clear superiority. Okay, so let's take this example, smartphones. When smartphone model is offered in different colors, example, okay, so we have there silver, blue, white, black, pink, yellow, okay. It's an example of horizontal differentiation since the colors don't change functionality or quality, it's only the visual preference. Another example is the types of milk. This is inside a grocery store. You may see almost different kinds of milk like almond milk, oat milk, and cow's milk. Each serve a different preference, whether your dietary need or taste, but one isn't necessarily better than the other. So it depends on the needs and preference of the consumer. Then, another example for horizontal differentiation is pizza toppings. A pizza place may offer options like pepperoni, vegetarian, or Hawaiian. So its topping offers a different taste and customers choose based on preference rather than one topping being better. So it depends on the preference, and that is horizontal differentiation. Okay, so let's move on to the next type, which is the vertical differentiation. When we say vertical differentiation, it occurs when products differ in quality, performance, or features, making one objectively better or worse than another. So consumers often make choices based on perceived value with higher quality and usually higher price options, appealing to those willing to pay more for enhanced features or performance. In simple words, vertical product differentiation is based on a measurable attribute like price or quality. Okay, so for example, a customer may choose a product that ranks highest for quality over other brand. For other customers, price point may be the most important factor, so they choose the least expensive item. Example of vertical differentiation is Apple versus Android products or generic versus branded items. Okay. For smartphone models by tier, consider a single smartphone brand offering several models at different performance level. Okay. On the first picture, we have the basic model of smartphone. So this is a standard. This has a standard camera, limited storage, and slower processor. Then the next photo is a mid-range model. So this is with better camera, increased storage, and faster processor. And the next is this is a premium model. Android phone or smartphone. So this has a top quality camera, maximum storage, fastest processor, and premium materials. Let's note that in this case, the models are vertically differentiated based on features and performance. The premium model is objectively better in terms of specifications and quality, appealing to consumers who value those high-end features and are willing to pay more. Okay, next type is the simple or mixed differentiation. Okay, so for simple or mixed differentiation, it occurs when the product combines aspects of both horizontal and vertical differentiation. This means the product may vary in quality or performance. So we include here vertical differentiation, while also appealing to individuals' taste or preferences, that is horizontal differentiation. Simple differentiation provides variety in products that are generally similar but have distinctions that appeal to different consumer needs. Okay, so let's take coffee shop menu as example. You imagine a coffee shop that offers a range of coffee options with different flavors and quality levels. Okay, let's start with basic brew. Okay, so this is example of basic brew, affordable. This is affordable. Standard coffee is available in flavors like vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut. The next is a premium brew. Higher quality beans are offered in the same flavors with more complex notes and richer taste. And the specialty brew, okay, as shown in the presentation, the highest quality single origin beans with unique flavor like floral or chocolate notes, which may come at a premium price. And we have example there of products from Starbucks. In this case, the quality levels includes basic, premium, specialty, reflect vertical differentiation as higher quality options appeal to customers willing to pay for better taste and uniqueness. For the flavors like vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut reflect horizontal differentiation, appealing to individual flavor preferences. So, a person doesn't need to travel to places to witness example of product differentiation. Product differentiation can be witnessed in grocery stores alone, TV advertisements, and even when you choose Facebook over Google Plus. Okay. So I hope you're getting me. Let's move on into the important elements to consider in differentiation. So what are the important elements to consider in differentiation? So when creating differentiation, it's essential to focus on elements that provide clear value to customers and make a product stand out in the market. So the most important elements to consider include unique features and benefits, the quality and performance, designs and aesthetics, customer experience and service. Let's include brand identity and perception, also innovation and technology, also the pricing strategy, the availability and accessibility, and the sustainability and ethical practices. So these are just the important elements that is included in this presentation, but we can make use of some others that we can search over the internet. Okay, so but this time, let's stick to these elements for this discussion purposes. Okay, so let's start with unique features and benefits. Okay, so unique features and benefits differentiation often starts with features that meet specific customer needs or uniquely solve problem. Okay, example, smartphone with high resolution camera. Okay, specifically designed for low light photography, appeals to users who prioritize photo quality, setting it apart from other phones with standard cameras. So we have example here, the Motorola Edge 50 Neo. We have also Galaxy S24 with the following benefits. So we have also another example, but um, for the sake of time in this recording, we move on to quality and performance. Okay, so for quality and performance, a higher quality or better performing product can be a powerful differentiator, especially when customers are willing to pay more for excellence. Okay, so we have example here. Lexus. In the automobile industry, brands like Lexus differentiate by providing superior performance, comfort, and longevity, appealing to customers looking for luxury and reliability. Okay, so for luxury and reliability sake, our example is this Lexus. This is very powerful because it features the features, and of course the features of this car really exemplify quality and performance. Okay, next we have this designs and aesthetics. Okay, designs and aesthetics, visual appeals and style play a big role in attracting customers, especially in markets like fashion, technology, and home goods. Example here is Apple products. They are known for their minimalist designs and sleek aesthetics, appealing to customers who value both form and function. Next, we have this customer experience and services. Okay, so superior customer services and enhanced user experience can create a lasting impression and strong loyalty. So we have a luxury hotel example here, like Ritz-Carlton. Okay, so Ritz-Carlton differentiate through personalized service, ensuring guests feel valued and unique. Next, we have this innovation and technology. Okay, so for innovation and technology, products with innovative or advanced features attract customers looking for cutting-edge options. Okay, so Tesla differentiates itself with electric vehicle technology and features like autopilot. Alright, so it's very powerful, autopilot, appealing to consumers who prioritize sustainable innovation and tech-forward products. Okay, that's how Tesla's vehicles are powerful. Okay, next we have the pricing strategy. Price can also differentiate a product. Okay, premium pricing often signals exclusivity and high quality, while value pricing appeals to budget-conscious customers. So we have example here ni Rolex. Rolex watches are positioned as luxury items with high pricing, which creates a sense of exclusivity and aligns with their premium brand image. Okay. This is a premium product. As you can see in the presentation, it costs a lot of dollars, a huge amount of dollars, right? Then next is the availability and accessibility. Making a product widely available or creating a sense of scarcity can differentiate it. Exclusive or limited edition items appeal to customers seeking something rare. Okay, so as shown in the presentation, these are designers or designer brands bags that release limited edition products, create sense of exclusivity and urgency, making these products desirable to fashion collectors, bag lovers, collectors, especially those designers bags. Okay, and the last is sustainability and ethical practices. In here, differentiating by focusing on eco-friendly or social responsible practices is increasingly important to many consumers. Let's take Body Shop as example. The Body Shop products emphasizes cruelty-free and sustainable ingredients, differentiating itself in the beauty industry for consumers who value ethical production. Okay, so there are a lot, of course, of reviews of this product, and most of them are positive reviews. Okay. So, focusing on the elements can create a compelling reason for customers to choose one product over others, helping to build brand loyalty and competitive advantage in the market. Alright, to conclude today's discussion, we have explored the important concept of product differentiation and its role in shaping competitive advantage. Okay, so as we've seen, differentiating your product effectively can set it apart in a crowded market and attract a loyal customer base. I encourage you all to think about how these principles apply to real-world examples and how you can implement them in your business strategies, of course, in the future. If you have any future questions or insights, feel free to share them during our face-to-face class. Okay? Thank you, everyone, for listening to this presentation. Okay, so I will be sending the module of this topic was that differentiation along with your assignment number 4. Okay, assignment number 4, assignment number 5, assignment number 6, and assignment number 7. So there are so many things to do here. Okay, so I will end now this presentation. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you inside the classroom next meeting.